Ooh, that's a lot of money. Oh.
They were professionals.
경찰은 관내의 한 주얼리샵에 금목걸이가 도난되었다는 신고를 접수하고 용의 차량 정보를 전 부서에 전파했습니다. 다음날 순찰 중이던 한 경찰관이 수배된 차량을 발견하고 즉시 검거에 나섭니다. 현장에서는 차량 수색과 피의자 신원 확인이 진행됐고 동시에 경찰은 사건 경위를 다시 한번 확인해 현장에 있던 형사에게 정확히 전달하기 위해 해당 주얼리샵을 방문했습니다.
What we may have him stop, so just give me a quick summary so I can let him know.
Where's the?
It was he was looking at 18-inch, and he was looking mainly at,
So this is what the tags look like. They
Yeah.
probably ripped
Yes.
it off though.
Yeah.
Are they just glued?
yeah, but you might find it in the vehicle.
Yeah.
You know.
Hello. Just him came in, right?
Yeah, he came in alone.
Just him. So he came in, yeah. So here, I'm gonna put you on speaker to the
Yeah,
attendant
go
that worked with him. The detectives. He wants to know like what he did when he came in, what he asked for, or whatever.
He was looking at the men's rings, and I approached him and asked if there was anything specific he was looking for, if I could show him anything. And he said he was looking for a gold bracelet for his mom and his dad tomorrow. So I proceeded to show him where we have their bracelets, and then he said, no, nothing like that. And he showed me his necklace. He has one. He was like, something more like this. I said, I can check in the bag and see what we have that might. And that's when he came up to the counter then and we started looking.
He needed it for today.
He needed it for today. Well, tomorrow, but
So then she went to the back, grabbed a black roll that they have a bunch of other additional jewelry in, set that out. They started showing him pieces. He's picking up, or she's picking up. They're both
He was
picking up.
too.
he
very
was he was
handsy.
like taking the things off and like
Yeah, and right where I sent you the picture, there's two necklaces in his hand. He drops one into his palm, he holds it there, and then he later transfers it to his other hand, and then eventually puts it in his left front pocket. So,
And we don't know which one is the one that's missing.
no,
It's
I was
grainy.
about to send you a picture of one of their tags to see if you can see it. but
Yeah, there's no tags on
yeah,
any of the
it's
stuff
hard
they
to
have.
it's hard to tell
Put
with
it
all
out
the
the
necklaces
window.
and stuff. Yeah, because everything looks
Okay.
the same. So, sure, they're
How many
all.
were in the car? How many guys?
How many were in the car? Just the two?
Two necklaces?
No, people. Just him and her.
Him, her, and the kids.
Oh, kids too.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Very nice.
all right.
So he had one that he was wearing,
Yeah, he did.
which is probably pretty much the same one that.
It was a flat Byzantine.
that. Yeah, he was. That's the one he
can't
was
see.
wearing. Right?
Here.
Yeah, that's it. That's what he was wearing.
Okay.
It's called a flat Byzantine.
Do you have everything that you need? I know we're not sure on exactly
The price. That's
price.
Yeah, that's the
18-inch though, we're sure on that.
18 inch.
I
So
mean,
it's 18 inch.
18 inch,
Yeah.
14 karat yellow gold. We're
Yeah.
positive.
Of course, they saw everything.
Is it about this thick? Do you remember?
That's
Yeah,
the thing.
I know they all. To me, especially when you're picking up multiples, it's easy
Yeah.
to.
지금 보시는 영상은 사건 당일 해당 주얼리 샵에서 촬영된 CCTV 영상입니다. 이런 식으로 상대방을 혼란스럽게 만든 뒤 재빠르게 목걸이 하나를 손에 넣습니다.
And he was like,
They blend.
undoing them, and we were all. I was watching because I have the camera here, and I had it zoomed up, sitting at my desk right there, watching this way. So
Right.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah.
That's why I told her it's like, if I didn't see it, he was sitting right there, and he didn't see it. They were professionals.
Okay. Put the SO to
If
see
I
what they want to
see
do.
it, I'm gonna know it's mine. Do you know what I mean?
So what's the process with the driver's license? How does that work?
When John got it from the guy.
Yeah.
So if our policy is if someone wants to see a Rolex, they're so expensive, we ask for their driver's license because they could take it and run. And
Right.
it's just to cover our.
No, I'm just trying to figure out, is it to look at this? Is it just,
Well,
that's
he
what I was
asked to
trying-
see a Rolex.
Okay. Did he end up seeing a Rolex?
He held on to a Rolex and showed it to him, but that's
Okay.
as far as it went.
Gotcha.
Driver, step out with your hands up. Hands up, on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head, turn around, face away from me. Start walking back towards the sound of my voice. Let me get some hands over here. Stop, stop. Keep coming back towards the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. You got your kids in the car? How old are they? Okay.
Because I see you.
Is there any other adults in the car?
My wife.
Your wife. Where is she at? The front seat?
Yes, please.
Okay. Front seat passenger, come out with your hands up. Come out. Put your hands up. Walk back towards the sound of my voice. Walk back. Come back. Come back. Put your hands on top of your head. Okay. Okay. Put your hands on top of your head. Come back to me. All right. Stop. Turn around. All right. Walk back to you. I'm sorry. Come on. Walk back to us.
How much
Okay.
the car?
We know. We understand. We understand.
There's nobody. Believe me, it's only my child in the car.
Okay. What
Please, my kids are scared. Please, not with the guns, please.
It's okay. Everything's fine. What's your name?
Nastasia.
What is it?
Nastasia.
Nastasia. Okay. We'll explain to everything that's going on. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys okay?
All right, you guys want to come out? Your name? Okay. What's his name? Come on out. What's that? Your mom's over here. We're just talking to her. Let's hang out over here in the shade. How about that? Is this your stuff? Okay.
What's your first name, boss?
Excuse me?
What's your first name?
Massimo.
Massimino?
Massimo.
Massimo? Okay.
이 도둑의 실제 이름은 1992년생 마크 로스타스로 다른 주에서 유사한 범죄를 저질러 이미 수배가 내려진 상태였습니다.
Huh?
You damaged the car.
Yeah?
Why?
That's how we stop people. Vitel, you got a handcuff key? Can you double lock him, please? When he's done, can you set him in your car, please? Come on.
I'm gonna family what happened.
What?
You don't mind. My wife and my kids, what happened?
What happened?
Yeah, what's the problem?
We'll talk to you about that here shortly, okay? They're okay, though.
Please.
Have a seat. You got anything in your shoes or anything?
No.
Okay. Slide in. This is our driver.
So that's the one that he has. Yeah, that's the fake ID.
Yeah, they sure do like sunglasses. Something in it?
Nah, it's just like weighted.
Oh, it might be like a comfort pillow.
Maybe, I don't know. Hold on.
506, I'll be 10-4, you can 54 check, 66 to the sheet.
They actually got shit inside of it.
Oh, looky there. Let's
Ooh,
see.
that's a lot of money.
Oh. Let's see the other pillow.
Oh, this is jewelry.
check.
Money is all hidden inside.
Real ones?
I don't know. I can't tell. Don't feel real. Are you a watch guy?
Yeah. But you never know with Rolexes, they can.
There's good fakes.
Yeah, they're really. Oh, this one, the hands are broken off on it. This one's got an odd skip to it, but it feels too light to be real ones. Yeah. It feels light too. I wonder if they wear some of this stuff just to make them look like they have money.
I saw. Oh god. Oh, there you go. Where's that from?
Right here. I mean, that's probably real. It's heavy.
경찰에 따르면 이날 현장에서 3만 달러 상당의 현금 다발과 함께 40만 달러, 하나로 약 5억 원에 달하는 작물 및 시계들이 발견됐다고 밝혔습니다. 주얼리샵은 인벤토리를 확인했고 그 결과 도난당한 금 목걸이는 약 15,000달러 상당인 것으로 밝혀졌습니다. 해당 목걸이는 체포 당시 그의 어린 딸이 착용하고 있었습니다.
You have the right to remain silent. And you can take accusation in court. You have the right to talk to lawyer. And each of these rights as I've explained them to you. Yes. Okay. All right. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back in. We'll talk.
I have one more question, please.
Yeah.
What is going on with my family?
They're free to go. They've been free to go.
Okay.
So right now you have warrants out of Michigan for your arrest. So we'll come in. We'll talk about kind of everything. Okay. Just
okay.
Okay. Go. Yeah.
Please, if you don't mind.
Yeah. No. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What was the reason they stopped me like that?
Because you have a warrant. You have a warrant out of Michigan, a felony warrant for your arrest. That's why.
I know, but no, the stop.
Yeah. Yep. That's it. Because you have a felony warrant, a felony charge for your arrest. We're allowed to stop you like that.
I know, but actually, let me explain.
Yeah.
How is that possible to stop me on the traffic for these things?
Because we're allowed to. The law allows us to stop you like that.
But how you was knew 100% that's me on the car?
Because we could see you, and we were able to verify that you had the warrant. That's it. So we'll talk about it.
Yeah, because there was like I had my children with me.
Yeah.
And when they stopped me, they damaged the car also. So
Yeah. Well, like I said, I'll come back in a few minutes and we'll talk. Okay.
Please.
So just give me 1 minute. That way I can take care of some things.
To make one phone call to my wife.
Once we get over to the jail, then you can make the phone calls. Okay.
Where?
To the jail, because you have the warrant. You have to go to jail. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. So, obviously the main reason why you're here is this warrant out of Michigan is for theft and some other things. Just gonna kind of dive right into this. Obviously, when we stopped you, we found a bunch of jewelry, including Rolexes and stuff like that. Where did all these things come from? Because they were like kind of hidden. Obviously, it's a little odd, wouldn't you think? So where did those things come from?
No comment.
No comment? Okay. So there was a Rolex located on your son, on his wrist. It's stolen. Where did those come from? No comment. Do you want to talk to me about anything? I'll let you talk.
Depends.
Okay. Well, on what? What does it depend on? What do you want to talk about?
It depends what you ask me.
Okay. The watch that was on your son was stolen from another county here in Florida.
No comment.
No comment. Okay. Well, I'm going to let you know that was you stealing it. We know it's you stealing it.
No comment.
Okay. How about the bracelets that were on your wife?
No comment.
No comment? Am I just wasting my time sitting here? Or is everything just going to be no comment? Because I'll just take you straight to the jail. You're not going anywhere. You're not getting out. Unless you want to talk.
Yeah.
말쿠는 여러 개의 가짜 신분증을 소지하고 있었으며 루마니아에서 미국으로 입국한 뒤 불법 체류자 신분으로 거주하고 있었던 것으로 확인됐습니다. 이후 그는 아래 혐의로 플로리다 주내 구치소로 이송되었습니다. 운전면허증을 위조하는 도구 소지, 가짜 신분증 소지, 체포 또는 구금중 감형 사용, 상급 중절도 혐의. 아래는 형사가 이 사건에 대해 작성한 보고서의 마지막 부분입니다. 형사는 보고서 말미에 다음과 같은 요청을 덧붙였습니다. 말쿠를 첫 재판 전까지 보석 없이 계속 구금해줄 것을 요청합니다. 그는 국제적인 범죄 조직과 연결되어 있고 미국의 연고가 전혀 없습니다. 확실한 주소지도 없으며 이미 미국 곳곳에서 여러 건의 수배와 재판이 걸려있는 상태입니다. 그를 풀어준다면 가짜 신분증을 다시 만들어 미국 안에 숨어 다니거나 아예 해외로 도망칠 위험이 매우 큽니다. 그는 변호사를 선임했고 보석금은 15,000달러로 책정됐습니다. 말쿠는 보증업체를 통해 수수료 1,500달러를 지불한 뒤 구치소에서 석방됩니다. 그리고 결국 형사가 우려하던 일이 현실이 되고 말았습니다. 말쿠는 법원의 출석 통지서를 무시한 채 도주했고 현재 이민국과 경찰 그리고 보증업체가 그를 추적 중입니다. 혹시 미국에서 이런 사람을 보시게 된다면 즉시 경찰에 신고해 주시기 바랍니다.